Hello everyone, this is our assignment video for the subject Power Electrical Machine. Before that, we introduce our group members. This is Faiqah Adawiyah. This is Siti Nurul Iman. This is Aisya Faqihah. This is Amalin Aisya. And this is Basmah Abdul Basir. In this video, we will discuss on the wave energy. Wave energy, also known as wave power, is the transport and capture of energy by ocean surface waves. The energy captured by the wave is then used for various of useful work such as water desalination, electricity generation, and water pumping. Wave energy is categorized as renewable energy and nominated as the largest estimated global resource form of ocean energy.
The first patent in wave energy happened in Paris in 1799 when Monsieur Girard and his son proposed using direct mechanical action to drive heavy machinery including mills, saws, and pumps. Not long after that, Basir developed a device to light and power his house. The pioneer for modern wave energy was Yoshio Masuda, a Japanese naval commander. He tested multiple different wave energy devices at sea, and several hundred of these units were used to power navigation lights. Masuda is also credited for different wave energy inventions including KEE, a large barge used as a resting platform, and the oscillating water column, which was initially used for small-scale navigation.
Now, let us see the working principle of the wave energy.
Explaining on the working principle of generating electricity by using wave energy.
Here are the waves that we see at the oceans. They are starting from the sun that heats up the air, then creates wind that blows over ocean surfaces. These waves will transform into wave power.
Fundamentally, this wave energy will be converted into electricity by using the wave energy converter. There are several kinds of wave energy converter that will be classified based on its location of installation, such as onshore, nearshore, and offshore. So this is the oscillating column water that usually installed at the onshore. For the second one is the oscillation surge wave, where usually it is installed at the nearshore. And the last one is the point observer that will be installed at the offshore.
This is the basic operation of point observer, where the float will move according to the wave while pulling on a cable that connected to it. The cable consists of magnets that will move up and down inside the generator coils. Then a generator coil will induce an electric current. Then the wave energy machine anchored to the seabed, then connect to a cable that will connect it to the shore. This cable will carry out the electric current to the shore.
So next is the discussion where the application of the wave energy. Energy is renewable energy. Basically, the wave energy is a power took from the wave. So there are many advantages from the wave energy. That the pattern of the wave energy arrival is highly predictable. So the wave energy is a fully clean source of energy, which means it does not release the harmful greenhouses into the atmosphere. So this wave energy also prepared a very strong wave energy infrastructure for helping a country from the overuse of the fossil fuels. Hence, all these advantages can be a benchmark for applying the wave energy into a variety of the useful application. So the wave energy has been applied in many useful applications, which are the generation of the electricity and the water desalination. So in this electricity generation, this wave energy can move or spread in a long distance through the open ocean with a very little energy loss. Yet when they reach the shoreline, and the water depth become shallower, and its speeds become slower, but they enlarge in the size. So the wave onto the shoreline and producing the immense amount of the kinetic energy that can be utilized for the producing the electricity. So the potential for a breaking wave energy varies from one place to one place, is depending on the geographical location and the time of the year. So there are two keys of factor influencing the size of the wave, that are the intensity of the wind, that uninterrupted distance in the ocean that wind can blow. Then the wave energy can also be included an indirect form of energy that cause the wave to travel on the surface of the ocean. Hence, by absorbing the energy, the motion of the wave transform into a mechanical energy and can be utilized produce an electricity generator. So the kinetic energy from the wave transform a turbine connected to a generator, which generates the electricity. So next, the application used for the wave energy is to desalinate the water. So a pump using an ocean wave energy is being designed by engineers at New Mexico to dispatch the pressurized seawater to the shore, in which it is desalinated without any external energy being used. Hence, this creates a simple system that can produce the fresh water for drinking and farming at the rural area. So this system utilizes a normal ocean with and several seawater pumps that could dispatch the pressurized water to the onshore desalination facility. So the features of the pump are 200 feet until 200 feet array of pumps floating on the ocean. So each pump is a buoy on a piston, and the buoy catch in the seawater when the wave rolls by. After that, when the buoy sinks, it pumps the seawater through the hydraulic line and back to the shore when it undergoes through the reverse osmosis process. So the desalination process with zero electricity. Furthermore, this system operates to 24 hours, and its production is depending on the wave action.
There are many phenomena that happens in this world, such as global warming, air quality deterioration, oil spill, acid rain, and the huge usage of fossil fuel. So, we need a solution to solve on this problem really fast. The renewable energy help reducing the usage of fossil fuel in generating electricity. There are many types of sources that can be used, such as sun, light, wind, rain, tides, waves, and geothermal. In Quran, Allah already stated in verse 6, ayah 141, He highlighted that the being wasteful or prodigal is forbidden by Him. But the system must resist forces of nature in the deep sea because it requires high power distribution costs and maintenance when generating electricity. Allah stated that there is two waves that occur in the deep sea. So, first, we can see that there is two types of wave in this world. The first wave is the internal waves that cover the deep sea with a higher density than water above it, while the second wave is the wave that used in renewable energy power system. So, as a human being, the deep ocean needs the aid of submarine or other technology because humans cannot be able to survive the ocean with the depth of 40 meters or more. However, the technologies that created in this world can resist the internal wave and generated energy. This alternative source of energy can reduce the consumption of fossil fuels in the future, and it is also can protect the environment due to wave energy, it is a type of pollution free.